Welcome to our roundup of the best dynamic microphones for streaming. Whether you are live on YouTube, Twitch, or recording podcasts and voiceovers, a high-quality dynamic microphone can make your voice sound clear, powerful, and professional. We have selected top-performing microphones that excel at reducing background noise, handling loud vocals, and delivering consistent audio in real streaming environments. In this video, we will break down sound quality, build durability, connectivity options, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect microphone for your streaming setup. Check the description below for the best deals. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Socadox Dynamic Mic. This microphone is built for creators who want excellent clarity and smooth vocal tones while keeping background noise under control. With both USB and XLR outputs, users can easily switch between plug-and-play USB setups and more advanced audio gear as their needs grow. The sound quality is rich, warm, and detailed, perfect for podcasting, Zoom calls, gaming, and live streaming. What makes this mic impressive is its cardioid pickup pattern that naturally focuses on your voice while minimizing unwanted room noise, an essential feature for users recording in untreated spaces. The Socadox mic includes a built-in pop filter and internal shock mount, reducing plosive sounds and vibrations from desk movement. With easy USB connectivity, creators don't need additional interfaces or power sources. Overall, this mic offers a great blend of clarity, versatility, and noise control, making it a solid pick for content creators who want clean audio at a budget-friendly price. Next up is the Maono PD400X. The PD400X is a versatile dynamic microphone designed for creators who want studio-level performance with simple plug-and-play connectivity. With both USB and XLR options, it works effortlessly with computers, mixers, and professional audio interfaces, making it suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. What sets this mic apart is its exceptionally clean vocal capture, powered by a dynamic capsule that reduces background noise and keeps your voice warm and natural. Its built-in DSP allows users to switch between presets for podcasting, live streaming, or vocal recording, giving instant control without external software. The touch-sensitive gain knob and mute button make on-the-fly adjustments incredibly easy, especially during live sessions. Comfort and usability are key strengths. Overall, the PD400X combines strong noise rejection, customizable sound profiles, and multi-platform compatibility, making it an excellent choice for creators who want top-quality audio without complicated equipment. Next, we have the Maono PD300X. This dynamic microphone brings professional-quality sound to creators who need simplicity, durability, and clean voice capture. Its powerful dynamic capsule produces warm, clear, and focused audio that cuts through background noise, making it particularly good for podcasting and vocal recordings. The dual USB/XLR outputs give creators room to grow into more advanced setups without replacing their mic. In USB mode, the PD300X delivers 24-bit audio resolution, ensuring crisp, high-definition sound. The PD300X features an intuitive control layout with quick access buttons for mute and gain adjustment. Its sturdy metal frame enhances longevity, while the included shock mount and pop filter help reduce unwanted vibrations and air bursts. Overall, the PD300X is an excellent balance of affordability, performance, and advanced features, ideal for creators upgrading from entry-level USB microphones. Next, the second on our list is the Fifine Amplify USB mic. This mic is engineered specifically for gamers and streamers who want clear vocal presence, vibrant aesthetics, and easy setup. The Amplify microphone delivers impressive clarity thanks to its tuned cardioid pickup pattern that captures your voice while suppressing keyboard noise and room echoes. Its modern RGB lighting adds personality to any setup and is adjustable for different moods or streaming styles. No drivers are required. Just plug into a USB port and it's ready. The Amplify stands out with real-time monitoring, ensuring consistent vocal levels during live gameplay. Its touch-sensitive mute button allows instant audio control without audible clicks, making it ideal for live environments. The mic also includes adjustable RGB effects, which add visual appeal for gaming channels. Overall, the Amplify is a top choice for gamers who want a mix of excellent clarity, style, and simplicity, all at a budget-friendly price. The last one on our list is the Maono GamerWave DGM20S. This microphone is built for gamers, podcasters, and streamers who want high responsiveness, crisp audio, and bold aesthetics. Its advanced noise reduction technology keeps the user's voice front and center, delivering clean speech even in busy environments. The cardioid pickup pattern enhances focus on the speaker, while internal circuitry ensures stable and distortion-free sound. With vibrant RGB accents, the DGM20S adds a dynamic visual element that fits perfectly into gaming setups. Users will appreciate the quick touch mute control, which allows instant silence with a simple tap. Another standout is the zero latency monitoring, ensuring accurate vocal feedback during recording or streaming. Overall, this microphone strikes a perfect balance between audio quality, style, and ease of use, making it a leading choice for gamers and beginner podcasters looking for a reliable and visually appealing mic. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.